Hey guys, a very good afternoon and welcome to a new daily market outlook for the 12th of June 2021. So today, as per usual, in the weekends, we're just going to go over Bitcoin, XRP and Ethereum and see what's next. So yeah, let's dive in. So to begin with Bitcoin, what have we been seeing? Well, Bitcoin currently retraced into my 1 hour demand zone. So on the lower time frame, I had a demand zone situated over here in alignment with the 0.5 fib. So as we can see, once we reacted to that level, we did start impulsing back up in towards the highs. It is in some way a retest of the descending trend line, which we have situated over here. Just missed the touch, but you could view this as a trendline break retest into demand into the 0.5 fib. And from now and onwards, we are starting to impulse back in towards the highs. However, at the moment, I am still not convinced that we will move further in towards the highs. I wouldn't be surprised if we see one more push back down lower. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have this possible descending channel scenario. So let me just draw that in for you guys. So look, over here we have the 1 and then the 2, and then we could get one more third touch down below at the 618 before impulsing back up in towards the highs. So that's the current outlook that I have on Bitcoin. We could start impulsing from here. As we can see, bullish momentum is coming into the market. However, it is a Saturday, excuse me. So yeah, we'll have to see. The weekends are very slow on Bitcoin, so not surprised if we don't really see anything or not much happen. So yeah, as you guys know, just going to be waiting for the channel to mature. So 1, 1, 2, 2, and then a third trendline touch, hopefully at that 618 fib level, which is in alignment with a 1 hour area of demand. So at around 33.8/34.18. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Let's head over to Ethereum. And Ethereum at the moment is reacting to my demand zone, which is a 1 hour demand zone. Yeah, perfectly, really beautiful to see. So furthermore, on the 4 hour, what did we see? Well, we saw a fake out on this low, right? So as you guys know, I do love to mark out my fake outs on swing highs and swing lows, or yeah, just to mark out swing highs and swing lows in general, because you do very often see fake outs on them. So in this scenario, we had the 2306 level, which we saw a fake out on. So we got the pin bar, and afterwards we did start impulsing back up in towards the highs. So for today or the rest of the day, I am expecting more upside on Ethereum to, let's say, yeah, back up in towards the highs, back up to this area of resistance, to then either form a double top or a new higher high. Yeah, Ethereum is going to be dependent on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does start dropping again to make that third touch at the 618 level, we will see Ethereum dropping once again. So furthermore, on Ethereum, we are currently situated or breaking out of this descending trend line, which would, yeah, or could possibly give some extra thrust to it to push up higher. If you just quickly go and look at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, you even have this trend line situated over here, which we already broke pretty obviously. So at the moment, I wouldn't be surprised if at a certain point in time, for instance, over here, we do start finding resistance. Yeah, see a nice pullback before then potentially moving back up higher on, let's say, Sunday. So yeah, that's Ethereum for you guys. Currently, yeah, moving out of 4 hour demand. This is my next area of major resistance at around 2700. So let's head over to our last pair, which is XRP. And XRP currently situated within this descending wedge. Not much happening, to be honest. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, really choppy at the moment. As you guys know, I did give out this blue buying zone, I think it was last week. So if you did take an entry from it, you could have made some good percentages. If we just quickly dive into the 1 hour time frame once again, you'll just really see that XRP is just really chopping around, not much going on. Furthermore, we have the descending trend line over here, which we need to break before we could possibly see any more upside. Once more, just having a look at the 4 hour time frame. If we do start breaking out of this descending channel / wedge, I do expect a big thrust back up in towards that 1.12 region. So I am bullish on XRP as long as the blue zone holds. If the blue zone fails to hold, we will move back up or back down in towards that gray zone, which is once again my yeah, longer term buying zone. So that's around 65 to 72 cents. So yeah guys, that is all for today. Not much to be honest in the markets on crypto, just a little bit slow, choppy, not really anything interesting. I'll update you guys further tomorrow, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.